Okay, so one way, if you did not bring your document camera home, you can use your iPhone. So you start your meeting and then join it and get your code. And once that's not there, it's also always down here. And you need to get the app, the Google Meet app. So I'll go to the App Store just to show, although I already have it. So I'm just gonna put Google Meet. It's free, and you would have to get it if you don't have it. I'm just gonna open it. Then I'm gonna put my meeting code. So the meeting code is CLT. So of course your meeting code will be different. Okay, I'm gonna join the meeting. And see, now I've joined it. Oh, right away turn your microphone off. And then up here on top you'll see 3 dots. Let me show again. So make sure you turn your microphone off, and the 3 dots right here, I'm going to tap on the 3 dots. Okay, and see here it says switch camera. I'm going to switch the camera so it's not recording me, it's recording the other side. Then here's a great use for all these old textbooks. Make yourself like a makeshift stand, but if you put it like this, see how the recording is portrait very small, so make sure you go like this. You see how much better that looks? Oops. Okay, so then you're going to position this so that it's over the whatever, your paper. I think I may have put it upside down. Let's make sure. Yes, I did. So you're gonna have to play with it a little bit. Okay, there we go. See how I'm looking this way, and now I'm gonna put it over here, and now it's not blurry anymore. So now I have my document camera. I actually would prefer the Elmo, but if you didn't bring it home, this is another way that you can do this. So you can see how everything I write is there.